Treats?
The flip is Sugru. This is Sugru. Feels like Play-Doh, super easy to use, and overnight turns into rubber.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Missoula Police Department. Residents living in a 1-mile radius of the Missoula County Public Schools are advised to shelter in place immediately. There is a situation regarding with riots around the schools when it is the first day of school. According to the information, several schools across the United States, including some parts of Canada and Mexico, including the provinces in Canada, Nunavut, Yukon, Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, Newfoundland, and Labrador were also being affected by these riots. Do not participate in the riots, as you will be arrested and detained. Please continue to proceed with caution.
No dream is too big, no challenge is too great.
History is watching us now.
This is an all-clear message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Missoula County Sheriff's Office. The riots have stopped, but as a result, 56 injuries were reported as a result. No fatalities have been occurred at this time. The schools across the United States, including Canada and Mexico, the rioting has also ended for them. Thank you for your cooperation.